West Godavari or Paschima Zilla is one of the 9 districts in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. The district is situated in the Coastal Andhra region of the state, bounded by Krishna district on the west, East Godavari on the east, Bay of Bengal on the south and state of Telangana on the north. Shortly I'll let you know what kind of water problems West Godavari is facing and its solutions. Stay tuned with me. This is Shreyasi and welcome to RO India. West Godavari is a notable place with its rich and varied temples and shrines. It is a place of rich tradition, heritage and historical significance. Some of the famous temples are Sri Venkateshwara Swami Temple, Adanya Swami Temple and Ramalingeshwara Swami Temple. During the British rule, Godavari district was bifurcated into East Godavari and West Godavari, and Rajahmundry was the headquarters of the Godavari district. When Godavari district was divided, Kakinada became the headquarters of East Godavari, while on the other hand, Eluru became the headquarters of West Godavari. The region has a tropical climate and the rainy season is often the best time for tourist visits as fields are brilliantly green with paddy crops, rivers flowing with monsoon water and a cool climate. Telugu is a mostly widely language spoken there and the district is well known for its wool pile carpets and hand-woven products. There are many landmarks and tourist destinations in this district, Eluru being the largest city of this district with destinations related to Buddhist and archaeological importance such as Gundupalli caves near the city. Other destinations of tourism importance are Perupalam Beach and Koleru Lake being the largest freshwater in the country. But do you know, a lot of people suffered because of impure drinking water in West Godavari. According to a leading newspaper, medical camps had to be set up to provide treatment to the patients and a door-to-door survey was conducted to monitor their health. The condition was so poor that the people from the nearby districts also fell sick. According to a case study, groundwater issues in the district included water depletion, waterlogging, corrosion, aquaculture and groundwater salinity. So as you all know, unhealthy water quality can lead to all sorts of life-threatening diseases. So to avoid anything of this sort, we need to have clean water, which can only happen through the right kind of water purifier. All of us have a bunch of questions while buying the right product for ourselves. To answer all your doubts and queries, we have RO India's water expert. You can call RO India's water expert and take the right kind of advice. The water expert will do a neat analysis of all your requirements and check all the parameters like water analysis, pH level, hardness, TDS, ORP, technology, brand, capacity and budget. If you're already using a water purifier, you must get it serviced from time to time. Otherwise, there might be a possibility that its membrane, filter or any other spare part might get damaged or even the whole of the machine. RO India is in the industry since last 17 years with 5,500 service centers in almost every pin code of India with a network of 20,000 technicians and a happy family of 15 lakh customers. That's why people trust RO India. You can be anywhere in West Godavari and RO India will provide you a qualified and well-trained technician who will take care of proper hygiene at the time of servicing. RO India's technicians use genuine RCI manufactured spare parts which are ISI and NSF certified, quality and cost effective. At the time of using the water purifier, one thing we should all keep in mind is to save water. To prevent the wastage of water and to know the hacks of saving it, you can check RO India's website. So if you want any service related to your water purifier, whether it is the installation, AMC exchange or repair, you can contact RO India. RO India's contact number is 926 888 7770. You can also download RO India's customer service app from the Play Store and check the status of your complaint. Do like, comment and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. And if you have any doubts or queries, feel free to ask us in the comment section below. That's it from my side. We'll meet in the next video with some more information. This is me, Shreyasi, signing off.